Learn sentence patterns. As we promised, now we are entering to the Learn How to Speak video series, and we are going to teach different types of sentence patterns. And the today lesson is how to use about to as a phrase. This special phrase can be used both present tense and past tense. So in this first video we only focus on the present tense, as be verb present tense plus about to do something. Example, am is a plus about to plus do something. As an example, I am going to or I am about to, like this. So today we are speaking about I am about to do something. Different types of be verb present tense. This is for beginners. Am is a, you have to use I am about to, he is about to, both with the phrase she is about to plus phrase you are about to plus phrase we are about to plus phrase they are about to plus phrase my friend singular is about to plus phrase my friends plural are about to plus phrase. Here are the phrases you are about to learn. For your easy understanding, we put them together. About to watch television, about to read a book, about to give a speech, about to have my breakfast, about to call to my friend, about to ask a question from teacher, and there can be many more, but we are focusing on few of the examples because you are going to learn one day for this lesson, so you have to remember. Basic sentence patterns: about to do something, ready to do something, or you just think to do something. Here's the formation: personal pronoun, be verb, about to, verb, object. Example, I am about to watch television. Here are the few of sentence patterns we use. I am about to watch television. He is about to watch television. You are about to watch television. This is for the beginners. How to use am, is, are with the different personal pronoun. Example, we mention I am, he is, you are. The four forms of the sentence. All the sentence we can make four forms. Some sentence we can make five. The positive form, I am about to watch television. The negative form, I am not about to watch television. Interrogative form, are you or am I about to watch television? Basically we don't ask question from ourselves, so you can ask, are you about to watch television? The answers are yes I am or no I am not, positive and negative answers. In the lesson we are talking about only the three main areas: positive, negative and interrogative, because the answer is different based on the questions. Positive statements with about to watch television. Examples, stage 1, I am about to watch television. You are about to watch television. He is about to watch television. She is about to watch television. We are about to watch television. They are about to watch television. My friend is about to watch television, singular. My friends are about to watch television, plural. The last sentence we use plural. We add s, my friends. So you have to use are. Negative statements with about to watch television. Examples, I am not about to watch television. You are not about to watch television. He is not about to watch television. She is not about to watch television. We are not about to watch television. They are not about to watch television. My friend is not about to watch television, singular. My friends are not about to watch television. The last sentence we use as plural because we add letter S, my friends. Interrogative statements with about to watch television. Examples: am I about to watch television? As we mentioned earlier, we don't ask questions from ourselves, so you can change. Are you about to watch television? Is he about to watch television? Is she about to watch television? Are we about to watch television? Are they about to watch television? Is your friend about to watch television? Here we use singular. The last one we use plural. Are your friends about to watch television? Positive statements with about to read a book. Examples, take 2. I am about to read a book. You are about to read a book. He is about to read a book. She is about to read a book. We are about to read a book. They are about to read a book. My friend is about to read a book. My friends are about to read a book. We have to find the singular form and the plural form. My friend, there is no letter S, so we use singular as is. My friends, when we add the letter S, is plural, so you have to use are. My friend is, my friends are. Negative statements with about to read a book. Examples: I am not about to read a book. You are not about to read a book. He is not about to read a book. She is not about to read a book. We are not about to read a book. They are not about to read a book. My friend is not about to read a book. Singular form. My friends are not about to read a book. Plural. You can see when we pronounce, we use the letter S for you to understand. Example, we read again. My friend is not about to read a book. Singular. The last sentence, my friends are not about to read a book. Plural. Interrogative statements with about to read a book. Examples: am I about to read a book? Are you about to read a book? Is he about to read a book? Is she about to read a book? Are we about to read a book? Are they about to read a book? Is your friend about to read a book? Are your friends about to read a book? Here we mention singular for one person, plural, two or many people. Positive statement with about to give a speech. Example, stage 3. I am about to give a speech. You are about to give a speech. He is about to give a speech. She is about to give a speech. We are about to give a speech. They are about to give a speech. My friend is about to give a speech. Here we mention singular. My friends are about to give a speech. The last sentence we use plural, my friends. We add letter S. We use are, my friends. And my friend is singular, so we use my friend is. My friend is, my friends are, my parents are, like this. Negative statements with about to give a speech. Examples: I am not about to give a speech. You are not about to give a speech. He is not about to give a speech. She is not about to give a speech. We are not about to give a speech. They are not about to give a speech. My friend is not about to give a speech. Singular form. My friends are not about to give a speech. Plural form. Singular we use my friend without adding S, so we are using is. My friend is not about to give a speech. Singular. My friends, we add letter S. My friends are not about to give a speech. I hope this is very clear for you. Interrogative statements with about to give a speech. Examples. Am I about to give a speech? Remember, we mostly don't ask the question from ourselves. This is just an example sentence. Are you about to give a speech? Is he about to give a speech? Is she about to give a speech? Are we about to give a speech? Are they about to give a speech? Is your friend about to give a speech? Are your friends about to give a speech? You can listen when you speak. We pronounce the letter S for you to understand. Example, we read again. Is your friend, singular, is your friend about to give a speech? Are your friends, plural, we add letter S, about to give a speech? Here again, this lesson also prepared by Anjula Himasi in grade 10. We hope you enjoyed this lesson from the sentence patterns. Learn how to learn. This lesson is the same and Anjula Himasi, and she is studying in grade 10 at Nalanda Girls College at Minuwanguda, Sri Lanka. Thank you very much, Anjula, and we are expecting more videos like this. And we wish you good luck for all your exams. Let us finish this lesson by saying thank you very much for the learners. We have a special message to you today and every day. After each lesson, you have to practice this. In life, whatever you learn, it needs to be learned from the heart with the absolute faith that I can do this, I can learn this. This is the message you are sending to your subconscious mind to allow you to learn and grow. Do this every day after each lesson. Do not just read or do something for the sake of doing it. So we wish you all the best with our new learning platform. Learn how to learn. Thank you very much for listening. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so you will never miss another video like this. See you with our next video.